Are you ready to take control of your tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you'll streamline collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. So firstly, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the homepage as you can see. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users for all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficiently. So the first step that you have to do right now is just click over sign up to get started. But first, let's know what is the pricing of this platform. So if we scroll down, we'll find here it's absolutely for free, and here we have key features. The first one, which is 100 megabyte storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan, members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat, Kanban board, and we have also here sprint management, calendar view, custom, file manager, basic, and application, a video recording, and we have here support, we have 7 hour 24, then we have one form as well. Then we have other package which is limited and you have to pay $7 per month. Here we have for based for small teams, and then we have here for businesses. We have to pay $20 per month, $12 for this package, sorry. And then we have the last one which is enterprise, and it's for many large teams. All right. So this is for monthly, and right now let's just get started, and you choose your package that you want and you click over here if you want to get started, and you add your free information. For example, if I click over sign up, I will just find other page which is this one. Here we have you have to add your email address, then you click over next and you'll find this page. You can also use the option of continue with Google, or you can just add your name, your work email, your password, then you click over apply with ClickUp, and then you will find other page which is this one. All right. So as you can see here, we have some questions that you have to answer. For example, here we have what would you like to use ClickUp? If it's for personal or school, I will select for example work. Then we have how large is your company. So I will select for example 110, and here we have how many people will you be working with. I will just select for example this one. Then we have what you like to manage. If it's finance and accounting, professional services, support, sales, marketing, startup, HR and recruiting, recreative design, and we have other things. You can choose to one you want. For example, I'll select the first one. Then we have here, how did you hear about us? I will select, for example, here we have Facebook and Instagram. And we have to use any of this to do. I will select, for example, I use, for example, this one. Then we have which features are you interested in. For example, we'll select dashboards. Then I will click over next. Then here we have Leslie, what would you like to? You can just right now to add your name here, and you click over finish. Then you will find other page which is this one. Alright, so here we have the dashboard as you can see. In the dashboard, we have various things that you have to know, but firstly, I will show you how you can get started with this platform. So after creating on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create projects by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. Then add tasks within those lists, assigning your dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Utilize views like Kanban, Gantt, and also calendar to visualize your work. Finally, you have just to explore automation options and integrations with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. So, right now, let's just know what is the options that we have in this platform. For example, we have home, inbox, documents, dashboard, clips, timesheets, and more. You can just select the one you want or the one you need. Then here we have also for space. If you want here everything, team space, you have just to select this one. And if you want to team space, lists, documents, form, whiteboard, folder, from template, and we have import as well. Then we have here for project, as you can see. Then we have here first project, second project, then we have project node, view all space, and here we have on a create space, you click over here. So here we have a space represents teams, departments or groups, each with its own lists, workflows, and settings. You have just to add your icon and name, then description here, and you can just make it private. Only you and invited members have access, and you click over continue. Then here we have in the middle of dashboard. Firstly, for a search for something, you can also use AI and other things. Then we have here team space, projects, and you select the number of projects. And also here we have port, option of lists, calendar, and we have table and view. So about the board, we have here to do, you have just to add task if you want, and here we have it. You can just add here whatever you want, and you click over save. You can add days, add priority. Then in progress, you can just add a task here. Then we have complete as well. You can add also your task name, add dates, and you get started. So we have it for the board. Then we have a list as well. You have just right now to add here task, and you write whatever you want, and you click over complete. The same thing with calendar here. Then we have this one again, as you can see. So in this platform, we have a lot of things in one platform. That's the benefits of ClickUp. Then we have table as well. If you want to add table, for example, and you click over save. Then we have view. And also we have here, if you want to search, if you want to hide, if you want to customize, if you want to add a task here, you can just choose whatever you want. For example, if you want a task, documents, reminder, chat, whiteboard, or dashboard. So you can just add your name or type. Then you add description if you want, write it with AI. Then you have just to create new file, and you click over create task, and you get started with ClickUp. Then also we have here if we want to add task, as I said. Then here we have new, for want to create task also. And in the left we have here how you can create space and other things. You can use this platform for a lot of things. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget, here we have share. If you want, just share this with your friends or coworkers or your boss as well. So this is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.